Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down, choose Extensions over here and tap on Dual App. Then click on Install next to an app that you want to clone. In my case it's only Facebook, so I will click on Install Now and install again. So now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!